As the feeder mechanisms pull the cane in, you can see the base cutters shearing the stalks close to the ground.
With impressive precision, the rubber grips secure the sugarcane stalks, keeping them intact while the dry leaves are filtered out below.
The morning mist burns off under the golden sun, marking the start of another harvest. We check the dew.
As the stalks ride the belt, the leaves are efficiently stripped away, keeping the valuable cane whole.
Push it to the left. Okay, watch the feeder.
The golden light of dawn signals the beginning of the harvest. For these farmers, it is the culmination of a year's work.
The seasonal sugarcane harvest is a massive undertaking. Globally, over 1.8 billion tons are produced.
This massive convoy is the lifeblood of the operation, ensuring the cane reaches the factory within 24 hours of harvest to maximize sugar recovery. The seasonal sugarcane harvest is a massive global effort, with millions of tons processed annually around the world. Every day, this serpentine convoy delivers thousands of tons of cane to the factory, a logistical challenge on an epic scale.
All right, bring him in, slow. Clear on the left, watch the gate. Pull up to the scales. Next one, keep rolling.
The sugarcane stalks are fed into massive steel rollers which crush the fibers with immense pressure. This process
a little more to the left. Okay, drop it in the middle.
As the stalks enter the crusher, the heavy steel rollers compress the fibers, releasing the vibrant, thick juice. The sugarcane stubble left after the harvest provides a unique opportunity for the next cycle's regrowth.
Echo Lima 7, Sector 49er, hold short at the processing gate.
Even after harvest, the remaining stubble holds the key to the next cycle. These tiny shoots ensure robust regrowth.
Echo Base, you are clear for approach. Proceed to loading zone Gamma, coordinates 349er.
The bagasse, once considered waste, is now a crucial biofuel. It powers the mills that process the sugarcane.
The bagasse, or leftover sugarcane fiber, is utilized as a renewable energy source, typically burned to power the sugar mills themselves.
Keep the loader steady. We need more volume to the furnace.
All right, increasing the flow now.
This fibrous residue, known as bagasse, is a valuable byproduct. We transport it. Regular cleaning is a critical safety protocol. Ensure all sugarcane debris is removed from the rollers before resuming operation. Regular cleaning of the machinery prevents buildup and ensures worker safety. Always follow the lockout-tagout procedure.
Bagasse, the fibrous residue left over after sugarcane stalks are crushed, is increasingly being recognized.
Keep the loader steady. We need more volume to the furnace.
All right, increasing the flow now.
See the level here? It's almost at the saturation point.
Understood. I'll log it now.
While these images show the arduous past of sugarcane harvesting, modern machinery now allows for swift, efficient cutting. This facility processes an astonishing 10,000 tons of sugarcane every single day, operating around the clock to meet demand.
We need to adjust the moisture calibration by at least 2 points before we start.
Okay, I'm inputting the new height settings now. Make sure the sensor array is locked in.
From the arduous toil of manual cutting to the swift precision of modern engineering, the history of sugar is a study in transformation.
The fermentation stage is critical. Workers constantly monitor the Brix levels shown on these charts. This year's annual production of sugarcane has reached a massive global total of 1.9 billion tons. This fibrous residue, known as bagasse, is a valuable byproduct. We transport it. Every day, thousands of tons of sugarcane are processed here, a testament to the sheer scale of our production.
The first step in refining is the vigorous fermentation you see here. Our team constantly checks the sugar content before distillation.
From these fields comes the sweetness that feeds the world, a massive operation running day and night.
As the sugar crystallizes, it undergoes strict quality control. Our workers examine the grain for perfect.
As the pure sugar grains fall, our team performs meticulous quality checks, ensuring the texture echoes the finest sugarcane.
This facility processes an astonishing volume of sugarcane, operating 24 hours a day.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Noted. The flow rate seems consistent with the last check.
Annual global sugarcane production reaches 1.9 billion tons, primarily used for sugar and ethanol.
Bagasse, the fibrous residue left over after sugarcane stalks are crushed, is increasingly being recognized.
Prior to harvest, we check the sugar content to ensure it's fully mature. Only then can we begin harvesting the cane.
Cut confirmed. Row complete. Next row active.
Regular cleaning is a critical safety protocol. Ensure all sugarcane debris is removed from the rollers before resuming operation. Regular cleaning of the machinery prevents buildup and ensures worker safety. Always follow the lockout-tagout procedure.
We look for the arrow, the flowering top. Once we see that, we know the sugar content is high and it's almost time to cut.